Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to HNM Technologies online training. And this is the final video of Module 3. We have covered a lot list basics and indexing, list methods and operations, list comprehension, tuples, sets, dictionary basics, and dictionary method and looping. You know four powerful data structures, but knowing them individually, it's not enough. The real skill is knowing which one to pick for a given situation. A wrong choice make your code slow and confusing, and sometimes code lead to errors. A right choice make it clean, fast, and professional. Think of it's like a film director choosing the right shot, close up, wide, and aerial or a slow motion shot. Every shot has a purpose. Same with the data structures. Everyone has a perfect use case. Today we cover a quick recap of all four structures, real world scenarios, which to pick and why, and common mistakes to avoid and performance tips. Like, okay, so let me open our VS Code. So this VS Code. And now, so let's remember what we done in this module 3. Okay, we have worked with the list firstly. So we'll saw them. List, ordered, list or ordered, mutable, and allow duplicates. So mutable means we can change a list whenever we want after creation, right? So I have a watch list, like movie watch list. In this movie watch list, I have some movies: Triple R KGF, Pushpa, Bahubali, Triple R, Sai Ranarasimharati, Triple R Mahanati. See, some duplicate movies is there. Triple R repeated in so many times. So that's mean a list can allow duplicates also. Okay. Yeah, this is my list and just created and printing that my list. See, can he? This is the list of the movies. Now, thing is, as I said, we can change list whenever we want, right? So now I want to add another movie. So for that, I'm just taking watch list dot append Javan. Okay, so we know how to add elements to this list. Okay, we have append, extend, and insert, right? Okay, now I just went updated list. See, Javan is added at the end of my list. Okay, bottom of the list added. Oh, right. So in my watch list, starting is a triple or KGF Pushpa Bahubali. But I want a Bahubali in a first place. So that's why I added a Bahubali in a first place. First place means I use the index of 0. Okay. So nothing is removing, nothing is updating. Just adding a element to the first place of my watch list. I just see printing watch list. Yeah, Bahubali added the first. Okay, see. Yeah. Now go to see tuple. See tuple are ordered and immutable. Immutable means we can't change after creation. Okay, we can't change a tuple after we create it. Now and duplicates are allowed. So since we see triple R is a repetence here and here also. Total three times triple R is repeated. So duplicates are allowed. Yeah, triple R, triple R, triple R in my watch list. But I'm trying to add a Bahubali at a position. At this time, I had a error, right? So type error. Tuple object doesn't support item assignment. So this we say this we already know this. And now set. See, set is unordered, mutable, but no duplicates, right? I have a movie list with duplicates like triple or in a three times, right? Here I have it three times. But you can see this output. I have a dribbler in only one time, but not repeated. So sets don't allow duplicates. This is already we know, right? But now I'm trying to add a Bahubali at my first position. Right, we'll see. See the output. Hey, type error set object doesn't not support item assignment. So set also doesn't support item assignment, right? But not exactly. Set supports adding elements, but adding with the index number doesn't support because set doesn't have a indexing. So like set doesn't have a order. Now, no order means no indexing. But I can add elements to the set, right? With the help of add, okay, insert like that. Okay. Now I just add Javan to the my set watch list. See, Javan is added somewhere here. And if I run again, Javan is not in the same place. Places change. See, now it's in a third place, right? And if I run again, see, Javan place is at a bottom, right? So sets are not ordered. I have a dictionary, key value pairs. Dictionary is nothing but a key value pair, and unordered, mutable, no duplicates. So I have a student set, uh, dictionary, name Arjun, age 21. So here it is a name, label, and the value. Label, value, label, value, label, value. Okay. Now I can add a new elements to them as a dictionary, right? See, before that, see here, before that first dictionary has name Arjun, and that later name has changed to Mahesh. Okay. So this way I can add elements to my dictionary. Okay. See here, do you need a key value pairs with the labels? So simply go for dictionary, right? So this time you simply go for dictionary. Do you need a data should that never change? Then simply go for what we are going for tuple. Okay. If it is anything where we can't change, anything you want after creation, no modifications, then go for a tuple. Do you need a unique values only? Don't want any duplicates? Then simply go for a set. None of the above. Then go for a list. So we'll go for some real world scenarios like movie ticket booking, right? We are all familiar with this movie ticket booking. Now I'm taking a seat layout. Yes, we'll see some real world scenarios like we'll go for some real world scenarios like movie ticket booking because we are familiar with this movie ticket booking, right? Now see, I'm just taking a seat layout. Seat layout is a fixed rows and columns that I don't want to change again. Okay, never change. So this way, in these situations, I go for a tuple, right? The right way is using tuple. See here, observe one thing. I took a variable name called seat layout, but the case is all uppercase. Okay, why I took? Because all uppercase makes sense. Okay, so this means this variable is can't changeable. Okay, you don't need to change after that. It is not changeable. So my tuple is fixed and then range of 10 comma 15, 10 rows and 15 columns. Yeah, rows and columns. Now I'm going to take another variable called already booked seats. Okay, for that I'm taking a set because already booked seats can't be duplicates. For that I took a set booked seats like row 1 seat 3 comma row 2 seat 7, row 3 seat 7, row 4 seat 11. Yeah, like that I took some seat numbers already booked seats, right? Now I want remaining available seats, right? For that I'm taking a list because list are ordered changes as booking happen. Okay, after booking now available seats is my list. Here I'm formatting the output a row seat number a row. I'm taking just R and S as a column, right? Yeah, that's it. Now I'm going for range for R in a range of 1 comma 11, right? Because I have a seats rows in a 10 rows only, right? Yeah, I just mentioned 10 rows, so that's why I take a 1 to 10. And so this phrase appears more clear. Okay, see for C in a range of 1 comma 16 because columns 15. Okay, now if here I'm formatting my output, okay, not in Bocor sets, so I'm just here took a available sets variable and a row and seat number for I in a range of rows, C in a columns range of columns If condition are not in a booked seats, I'm just entering to the available seats. Okay. Now I have a customer booked customer details, right? Customer name, which movie he is ticketed, booked for customer details like a name and a movie and seat number, screen, amount. For that, I'm taking a dictionary because dictionary is like a label and key value page. So I'm just taking that booking. I'm taking dictionary, right? Dictionary with a customer is enough. Okay, a customer name doesn't need action and movie Bahubali and seat. Sorry, don't need this show seat. Okay, and now screen two. The amount he paid, so 250, right? With including of a GST 250, right? Now I'm just taking a seat name whether it is available or not. Further, I just take variable seat and the seat number. Seat is already booked, so some going to take another seat number. Okay. Here, if that seat number is already booked, so I'm checking if a seat number is already booked seats. Then I print seat is already booked. Else I print else I need to print like a booking is confirmed for checking. Like before that, I have to append that into seat number booked seats. For that, booked seat dot append and seat number. So seat is available. I'm going to print a seat is confirmed. Like printing booking is confirmed successfully. Whatever. See here, we just completed a movie ticket. We just done this movie ticket booking. See here, I can have this, and I just want to check how many tickets are present. Before that, a seat number R2S3 is booked or not. So yeah, seat number is successfully booked. Right now, I'm going to check how many seats are available. Yeah, see how many seats are available. These are available seats, and now I'm going to check print booked seats. So I'm going to check booking. See, customer Arjun movie Bahubali is already booked. So this way you can do this with the help of all these data structures we use here. Okay. Here we mainly used the dictionary, right? Dictionary and list, tuple. Check, mic check. Some common mistakes here, like we'll see common mistakes like using list instead of set. Why? Because we'll see. Sometimes if you need to check whether it is present or uh, element is error data is present or not, we'll use set. We'll use list mostly, but instead of that we use a set because sets are fast, better than list. Okay, yeah. Checking membership in a large list is a bit slow. Like we'll see. I have a movies list, movies I have, and I'm checking if Pushpa in the movies, print Pushpa is available, or else Pushpa is available, then print Pushpa is available, else print Pushpa is not available. And if I want to check triple R, so no, triple R is available. Otherwise, triple R is not available. So see, in my moves list, triple R is repeated 3 times. So list will check each triple R, each item every time. Okay, each will check with triple R, KGF, Pushpa, Bahubali, triple R, and Saira Narasimha triple R. Like this, it checks every item, right? But instead of this, if I use list, see here, triple R, I'm just making list into set, right? Yeah, this is my set. Here I just done like previous one. Just if triple R in my movies, I'm just print triple R is available. Else print triple R is not available. Here in my set, I have duplicates, right? Triple R 3 times. But actually set what I'll do, how it stores with no duplicates, right? No duplicates means lookup is very easy. Okay, searching is very easy. So that's why use set instead of a list when you're going to use memberships, like checking whether it is available or not. that time use this set. Okay, and some situations like using a list for label data, like using list for label data like dictionaries, like have student data, Arjun and this one. And if I want print anything like yeah, Arjun name or Arjun age, anything if I want print, I have to fetch with the help of index number only. Okay, but how many index numbers we need to remember? Okay, we don't know if data is here. We have only, instead of this, if I use dictionary to store this student data, see, I can easily fetch a print student name. I don't want to remember the index name, which index is for which label. I don't need to remember everything. Okay, they just if I want name, I just take its name, and if I want age, I just use age. Like this, I can fetch. So use dictionary when it comes to label data. Okay, yeah, like this, you just need to, before going to use any data type, just ask you some questions. What data type is I actually need? So whether it is a label data or a unique data or a duplicate order data, which one I need? Okay, like this, question yourself, and then go for a desired data structure you want. Okay, and one more thing is tuple is memoryless. Okay, tuple uses a memoryless in a Python memory rather than this other data structures like a list. Okay, we'll see. Here you can see just I import a sys, and watch list is like my wow movies watch list I have, and I just print a sys dot get size of watch list. So here I just printed a tuple. Okay, tuple size you can see 1 at 4. Tuple size 1 at 4, and this list size is 120. Is a little bit greater than this tuple size, right? Okay, so when you need less data, okay, at the time use a tuple, because a tuple don't use extra data for later operations. But a because a tuple is a tuple immutable. Once we create, there is no operations, there is no changes in tuple. So that's why tuple use a very less memory. But lists are not like that. List use some more data because so list sometimes will change. We can add some more elements to the data list. Sometimes we'll delete the data from the list. So that's why list to have consume more data than the tuple. Okay, like I said, just ask you a few questions before you're going to use any data structure. Okay, then based on that, go for desired data structure that you want. Okay, here I'm going to explain about like quick recap of what we covered in this module. Okay, in this module, in the first video, we covered list basics, indexing, slicing, and list modifying, like using -1 to reverse the list, and not giving a start index and end index, and just reversing the with the help of a step value, right? And the second one, we cover list methods. List methods like append, insert, removing, popping, and sort, and reverse, length, count, and index. Okay, and list comprehensions. In third one, we cover list comprehension. And list comprehension is nothing but a one line list operations, expression for item and iterable, and then condition. Okay, if it is condition. If it comes to if else conditions, we use condition first, then for next for loop, right? And then last, tuple, immutable, and packing, unpacking, and it's also memory efficient, and sets unordered, mutable. We can change, but no duplicates allowed in sets. And dictionary basics, key value pairs, and I use get to fetch data from the dictionary, and nested dictionaries, and methods. We'll deep dive into this dictionary methods like get method keys, dot values, dot items, and pop item, and clear update. Okay, and also we covered list comprehension, the dictionary comprehensions, key value for item initerable if conditions true or false, and the common mistakes and the right data we use in a which data type we use in a all among these data structures. Okay, common mistakes and real world scenario. Okay, so and module 3 is about 9 videos: list basics, methods, comprehensions, tuple, set, dictionary, methods, and which data type to use at a right time. Okay, all those are covered in this module 3. And one thing always remember, if you need labels, use go for dictionary, but data never change, go for tuple, and unique values only, go for set. Everything else you want just list. Okay, list can do anything. A list be ordered, duplicates allowed, you can change anytime. Okay, only think if you want labels, dictionary, changes, tuple, unique values, set. That's it. In this videos, we have gone from not knowing what is a list, right? But we understood four data structures and their methods, comprehensions, and most importantly, when to use each one. That last skill is what separates the beginners from real developers. Okay. Now we covered module 1, Python fundamentals, module 2, control flow and loops, and the module 3 about data structures, and module 4 is next, functions and a modular program. This where your code goes from working to truly professional. Functions, arguments, lambda, recursion, modules, like the tools every developer uses every single day. So these are very important topic, because every real world project have this topics, mainly functions. Okay, I'm really very excited to work with these functions in a real world scenarios. Okay, with the help of functions, all the stuff we did in these videos, some real world scenarios, that's makes very simple with this functions and arguments, right? Yeah, we'll see in a next video. In a next module we'll cover everything. Okay, now take a day and review all four data structures, attempt all the practice questions, and thank you. Thank you for choosing HNM Technologies. Bye bye. Happy coding.